Hello SolidWorks enthusiasts, welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. Today we're jumping into CSWA Practice Level 2, working on Assignment 1, Problem 1.20. Let's go ahead and open the drawing. Right away, take a look at the units. We're working in mmgs, so millimeters, grams, and seconds. For this model, we'll primarily use the extruded boss feature. Also note that the origin is positioned at the center on the bottom plane of the base. This will help with symmetry as we build. A couple of important hints before we start. All the bars are identical in size. Each bar is tangent to the center circle and extends outward to connect with the outer edge. The target volume for this part is 177,882 cubic millimeters. So keep that in mind to verify your final model. The overall approach is straightforward. First, create the central ring. Then add 2 bars on the top, followed by 2 more on the bottom. Make sure to use the merge result option as you extrude so everything becomes a single solid body. Alright, let's open SolidWorks and get started. Before we start, make sure your units are set to mmgs. Now select the top plane, and from the origin, sketch 2 circles. One with a diameter of 32 millimeters, and the other 120 millimeters. Next, go to Features and use Extruded Boss. Set the thickness to 10 millimeters and confirm. Now select the top face of that feature and start a new sketch. First, add horizontal and vertical center lines. Choose the corner rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the left side of the smaller circle. Make sure the 2 left corners sit exactly on the circle, and keep the rectangle symmetric about the horizontal center line. On the right side, the rectangle should be tangent to the smaller circle. Add a dimension and set the width to 12 millimeters. Now mirror that geometry across the vertical center line to create the same shape on the right side. At this point, your sketch should be fully defined. Go back to Features, use Extruded Boss again. Set the height to 20 millimeters. And make sure Merge Result is turned on. Alright, the 2 top bars are complete. Now we just need to recreate the same geometry on the bottom plane. The only difference is orientation. They should be perpendicular to the top bars. Let's go ahead and finish that. Now the bottom bars are done, which means our part is fully complete. Let's quickly verify the result. Go to the Evaluate tab and open Mass Properties. The volume should be 177,882 cubic millimeters. If your value matches, then everything is correct. Nice work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. It really helps support the channel. I upload new videos every week, so make sure to subscribe.